we have to learn, we have to discuss, we can do some activities in this class, mathematics class 9 by Sthir. This is GeoGebra class. 72 students are enrolled. This is a class of the class subset, like that. We have discussed in mathematics that in previous classes what is universal set and what is subset, like that. Dear students, this I have created this subset class because for particular tasks, particular relation, we can go through it. Vivek, yes, and we can discuss. Today's I will show you about the relationship among three sets. Last year also in grade 8 somehow we have discussed. It was a little bit challenging to my students, I feel that. So let's discuss on that. Almost 93 students are in GeoGebra class. 85, but here in 93, who were they? I couldn't find new students. How many are here? Okay, now dear students, can you go to the task overview? Can you click? Everyone, click on task overview. You can see the task overview. And you can click on the tasks. Now for 3 minutes, you can observe, you can learn yourself, you can find some relation yourself, study yourself, and I can observe here who is observing, who is doing that task, who is not opening. Directly I can see. It means the main purpose of making this class is to measure your engagement level. Just you are observing or not, how you are finding, how you are engaging with the activities. Because in class, in Google Class, I have posted some quiz, some problems, but no student, no means some students, only some students turned the lesson or the assignment or the quiz. It means you all are not engaging almost. So my dear students, please click on the given activities, task 1, and learn something yourself. Please do it. I can observe. You can see this is Sanskriti. Then what is it doing? I can see from here. Yes, you can click in these activities and you can observe the shaded part and the sorry, I have to present my screen now. Yeah. This about GeoGebra, yes. How many students are enrolled? Maybe you have enrolled twice. 116 students in the class I can see. Then now I can observe your class activities. Have you checked the tasks? You can click on task overview, dear students. I already mentioned is that task overview. So this is the task. So let me check what you are doing, what you have done. I can see, I can observe your engagement. Which does not work, leave it. The time is already gone for the quiz. Remaining next time you can try for the next quiz because time is limited and important. You have to follow that trend. Okay, Prajwal Paudel, let me see his progress. Has he observed these activities or not? We can see here. It is working, yes. And others, maybe Sanskriti, yes. Can you do Sanskriti? I would like to request you to check some conditions so given over here. You can click on reset and then universal set. Can you click on universal set? Sanskriti, I am asking to Sanskriti.
So I'm doing as you are saying.
Yes, can you do again? Can you show us? Can you click on universal set?
So I'm currently clicking on universal set and the same. It is working on my computer, but it is not showing in your computer.
Okay, okay. Then others. Show names, yes. And others. Shimran, please uh, click on the given activities and find the relation among three sets. Anyway, dear students, I will be back again about from this to show this relation among three sets from my uh, from my that I have posted over here. I have already kept the some relation. Yes, you can see. I will show you the activities now. This is the concept, dear students. Now I have to, I will explain. Before that, you have to check. You have to find the relation. Now first reset button you can click. And when I click on universal set, it shows all the parts is set that this area is a universal set. You means occupied all the areas. Now phi empty set, nothing is colored. Set A, you can click. Oh, this is set A. What are the elements of set A? You can study 1, 2, 3, 4. This is set B. This is set C. A complement other than A, dear students. B complement other than B. C complement other than C. A union B, you can see. B union C. A union C. A intersection B. What are the elements in A intersection B? Also you can see. B intersection C. A intersection C. A minus B. A minus B means the elements only in B. A not in B. B minus C. C minus A. B minus A. C minus B. A minus C. These are the relation between two. Now moving to the relation of three sets, dear student. Let me say it again. uh, C intersection A minus B. Can you write the elements in C intersection A minus B from the Venn diagram in chat box, dear students? Yes, 2, 4, 2, 2. Everyone plays. Write within 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Jenisha, Srisha, Sabine, Kripa, Shimran. Yes, yes, yes. Many students are responding. C intersection A. C intersection A means 2 and 4. Minus B means except B. That's why that is 2. You write the correct answer. Similarly, C minus A union B. A union B. Again we can reset. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But from C we have to subtract A union B. That means only C part will remains. That's why that is C. Similarly, C intersection A intersection B complement is 2. B intersection C intersection A complement. C complement intersection A complement and B, that is 5. A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement. Can you guess the elements in this condition? Dear student, can you post the answer in chat box? A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement. I couldn't see the answer. A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement. Krithapa 8, Kaustubh 8, Suyog 8, Kripa, Mahima, Prajal, Nyol, yes, Kritika, Sandeep, Prajwal, Pravesh, Prekshashree, yeah. Hriday, yes. 8. Oh, it's 8? Yes, because this is outside the set A union B union C. That's good. So in this way, you can try all the activities and you can learn. Thank you for your right answer. Dikshit Adhikari, why are you writing so many answers? Dikshit, this is not good habit. I can observe, I can record your activities. Why are writing many eights? That is not good. I'm asking whether you understand the relation or not. I'm not asking how many times you can post the answer. This is my sincere request. Please follow me. Thank you. Now, moving to the next part, dear students. Uh, I know you can explore in that activities which is posted in GeoGebra class also that you have already done. Now moving to next part, dear students, some visualization concept I will show you. Among the three set, dear students, A union B intersection C complement. This is like that. And new one B, new one A complement intersection B intersection C. This can be done. You can explore. I'll keep some materials activities in GeoGebra class, then you can explore, you can move mainly in this Venn diagram part, dear student. This is B intersection C union A, this is B union C. Here you can see, okay, this is for your activities. Now moving to the next part, dear students, this is also shown. Now moving to the next part, dear students, I have posted the question exercise problem. I believe some of you have your textbook and some of you may not have. For them, I have posted the exercise picture or photo of exercise. I have taken the picture from the book and posted in assignment part, and I found nobody turned it. That's why if those who are not getting their textbook can see the exercise, and you can make the note copy and you can solve all the problems in your one speed, because the relation of two sets we have discussed. Now three sets also we have discussed, and now I will show some activities or questions, dear students. In page number, I will go to 6 page number. I have prepared some solutions, some guidelines for question number 8, 9, 10, because you may have some problem on it, I guess. That's why this is the combined method of solving question number 9, 8, 9, 10, and 11, because in question number 8, 9, 10, and 11, the relation or three sets are given. Now you can see, uh, suppose we have given a question. This is not exactly the questions from 8, 9, or 10 like that. This is the combined questions relation I will show. Suppose universal set occupied or universal set having 1 to 9 numbers. Set A 1, 4, 7, 8. You can see here, dear students, and you can see the elements of set B also from here and set C from here. So next step, we need to verify A intersection B union C equal A intersection B union A intersection C. Other similar relations are given up to 8 to 11. I will show this, how to solve this, because here Venn diagram is not given, only the word problems or the questions given in the listing method or the listing way. Now moving to the next step, dear students, first of all, A intersection B union C we need to find. In this case, firstly find B union C. It will be easier to perform. Dear students, B union C. So what is B? Elements of B are 4, 6, 8, 9 and C 3, 4, 5, 7. Then their union is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now moving to A intersection B union C. Now you can combine with A intersection. So the elements of A are 1, 4, 7, 9 intersection, and this is taken from the above relation or B union C. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So their intersection is 4, 7, 8. So in this way you can break. If you have given 3 relations, 4 relations, make the group up is 2, then again combine 2 with 1 or 2 with 2, which makes you easier to understand and perform this way. Now moving to the next part, dear student, right hand side you can see here A intersection B union A intersection C. That's why I have taken A intersection B first. So you know same process. You will get 4 comma 8, that is A intersection B. Similarly, I have taken A intersection C, that is A intersection C is 4 comma 7. Now combine A intersection B union A intersection C. So for that, A intersection B union A intersection C is 4 comma 8 union 4 comma 7, which is 4 comma 7 comma 8. In this way we can find the relation, or we can verify the relation, dear students. Okay, we can verify the relation A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C, because we get the same result from both relation. In this way you can perform your tasks which are given in question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now moving to next part, dear students, let me go through the question number 13. Before that, for 2 minutes I want to stop my presentation, then let me ask you about the class. Anyone can give the feedback, or
That
what is the problem? Problems or yes?
you yourself work really hard to make us study by making several classes by yourself. Thank you, sir,
Thank
for
you.
your
Yeah.
hard work. We would also try to work hard like you.
Yes, thank you so much. Now Ankit GC.
Sir, am I audible? Okay, so this
Yes, yes,
class is
yes,
very
right.
good, sir. Um, and everything is good, but sir, while giving
Yeah.
answer that typing is little bit difficult for us, sir, of math. That giving answer that some we have to
Yeah.
sort that signs and symbols, and everything is good, but that submitting answers and then that is I feel a little bit difficult. So
Oh, thank you very much. I think if you have such problems, you can write your answer in your note copy, solve the exercise in your note copy, write some guidelines in your copy, and if it is difficult to type or give feedback directly in chat box, let me know. Then I will give
okay, thank
chance
you, sir.
to say in this way. Okay, you can see. Yes, for others also. This is the same answer for all my students, because you have to participate in the class. My opinion or my purpose is, if you passively just if you on the class, then passively if you sleep or like that way, we can't learn mathematics, because from my side also I have I did my best. Yeah, short. Okay. And don't miss to practice in your exercise copy that can be checked in school later on after the arrival. Okay, thank you. It's almost 11:35. I have taken two students feedback only. Next day I will ask to other students also. If you have genuine question problem, I will always give chance to you all. Okay, now moving to the next part, dear students, I will move to page number 5. This is the questions of your exercise. Question number 13. Dear students, here I will display some question. This is the question number 14. Before that, let me go to the question number 13, dear students, because we have discussed page number, yes, question number 13, dear students. We can go through it. Yes, let's question is, study the given Venn diagram and list the elements of the following is given over here. And the Venn diagram is like this. If you have textbook, you can observe. It is given in question number 13, dear students. I have the textbook. So I made the questions, I copied or I have taken the questions from that textbook, question number 13, because up to 12, last time I have already given you the assignment or activities, but be confirmed that if you have completed your assignment, you can ask with your parents to sign on that and you request your parents to write the date as well. That will also authentic for us to evaluate in later on. Now moving to this part, dear student, can you find the elements of set A, X, sorry, it's X, elements of set X. How many elements are there in set X? 1, 2, 3. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in Z 1, 2, 3, and in complement part in A and H, dear students. Yes, thank you. Now moving to the next questions, dear students, let us discuss about X union Y. I believe you don't have any problem. X union Y union Z, there is also no problem, I guess. X intersection Y, also no problem. X intersection Y. Can you tell me the elements of X intersection Y? X intersection Y. F. X intersection Y, dear student. FC. Yes, I got from Sirisa. Thank you. Then X intersection Y intersection Z. I am asking D number now, dear students. D number, that is C. Thank you, Suyog. Now X intersection Y union Z. This is important questions. Means little bit logical, dear students. X intersection Y union Z. Can you list out the elements? If I get one answer, one right answer, then I will move. Srisha, E number answer. E number, X intersection Y is F and C, and union with J is BCFI. BCFI, Hridayakesi, you are right. Thank you. Now this is simple. You can write, you can observe from the Venn diagram and find from the relation of among three sets. Now moving to next part, dear students. X union Y intersection Z. X union Y is all this part, yes, and intersection with Z is this part only. Can you write the elements of X union Y intersection Z? CI. I got the right answer. Sanskriti, Kripa, yes, Rosika Adhikaris, thank you. Now moving to Z number students, Z number question, X minus Y union Z. 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 That will be Z only. Mahima, thank you very much. So similarly, you can explore these all three remaining questions, because this I have highlighted some questions, answer of some questions. Now last questions, dear students. K number, Y union J complement. Y union Z complement. Can you write the answer? Y union Z complement. A G, yes, yes. Shashwat, but don't use capital letter, okay? You may have typing problem maybe, but don't use. And similarly for the last question, dear student, is very logical question. Y intersection Y complement intersection Z. Who can give the answer of this? Y intersection Y complement intersection Z. I am asking your response. Sanskriti Shrestha, you. Krit Thapa, what you? Question number L, I am asking the answer of question number L. Ayush Podel, oh, I believe you didn't get the question. Everyone, please respond me. Y intersection Y complement intersection Z. It is very logical question. So I am focusing on it. Amit Hekali, sorry, Srisa Koirala 5, Mahima 5. That's right. Suyog sorry. Nikki 5, yes, Ankit 5, Janisa 5, Simran Colonel 5. That's you are right. I got few correct answer. Dear students, as we have discussed, Y intersection Y complement is 5, and the 5 set intersection with any set is also 5. So the result will be 5. Using Venn diagram also, this Y and Y complement intersection is 5, and intersection with Z set is also 5. Please conceptualize it. It's good concept. So Y intersection Y complement is 5. 5 intersection Z set is also 5. That's why it is the answer for 13 number questions. I have given enough hints, I believe. Now moving to, we are almost at the end of this class, but 3 more minutes we have. Now moving to question number 14, dear students. Question number 14, dear students, let me check. Yes, exercise 1, question number 14. Here is the question. It goes like this: universal set is positive numbers less than 20. Set P is a prime number. It is understood that if universal set is less than 20, then prime numbers means within that universal set, because all the sets are subset of that particular set that we have already discussed in previous classes. Now moving to set Q, you can see y such that y is the factor of 18. Can you tell me the factor of 18? That means possible factor. We may assume, we can write 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, because they are the possible factor of 18. Similarly, Z, R set is Z. Z is the multiple of 3. Can you give me the multiple of, can you tell, or can you judge, can you find? It's not difficult for my students. Now moving to the solution part. Your universal set is positive numbers, positive whole numbers, dear students, positive whole numbers. That's why we should not forget to write 0 as well. Yes. Now moving to next part, 0 to 19. Next step, oh sorry, 0 to 19, and P is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Next step Q, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Next R is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And next one is Venn diagram. But in Venn diagram, one thing is missing, dear students. Can you find that? One is, let me give chance to identify which elements is missing in the given Venn diagram. 0, yes, Vidhan, Srisa, yes. 0 is missing. This in previous steps, or next step, that 0 is missing. Yes, within universal set 0, yes, you are right. In complement part, we should not forget to write Zero, dear students. Now moving to the solution part. There are many conditions, dear students. So let's discuss now about P complement. Except then P, you can list out all the elements. I made you easier to solve this. Multiple of 3 isn't it infinite? Oh, very good questions you have raised, Ankit, but I have already given the answer because if your universal set is less than 20, then how can you go behind? Yes. Anyway, you can raise no problem, but the universal set that will fix our areas or the members or like that. So dear students, you can draw a single Venn diagram in your questions. By drawing Venn diagrams is given, but I will make you easier to solve these questions. Please mention all the relation in a single Venn diagram and find accordingly as given in the question. This relation you can find P intersection Q, P union Q. It makes us easier to solve the questions or find the solution in a single Venn diagram.